Hi guys, today I'm going to complete my quest of Barley. As you guys see here, win 10 games with Barley. I've already done 5 and now I will do 5 more. After that, we will open a mega box. So guys, without wasting any time, let's play. Oh, just look, I started. So guys, let's play with Barley. I do not think that Barley is a good brawler at this map, but I need to do play him. Sorry guys, there's some network issue, but I'm still playing. Still trying to dodge this spike. This spike is irritating me now. This spike is going or not, and this spike will die now. Look guys, Barley's gadget is too OP. But now people know how to play against Barley. They keep their distance up. But this pack, I thought he was a noob. He was playing Brawl Stars for the first time after the gadgets have been released. That was 3 to 4 months ago. Let me see if no one's here in this push. Why are you coming here, Gale? Gale, go somewhere else. Let me team up with him. Supercell, why are you throwing meteors? Supercell, please. Oh, guys, the first game didn't went right. So guys, let's play another one. Let's see when our match will start. Oh, it has started. That's very nice. I hope there won't be a Gale who will come and kill me. And there's a Nani right there. There's El Primo taking that chest. I have taken this chest. Let me hide in this corner. Very nice place to hide. I think so, very OP place to hide. How this Nani knew that I will be hiding here? Nani, please spare me. I'm gonna die here, guys. Oh no, this is not looking good. That's what I've thought. I already told you guys that Barley is not the best brawler at this map when there is no bush to hide. I don't know why Supercell removing bush maps. They should remove the full bush map, which is the Kevin Churn map. It's the worst map in the game. I hate that map. Let me take out this chest. Then let's go bam after this Shelly. He's gonna die. Let me take this power cube. As you saw guys, I saw another Barley. I told you that I believe in that philosophy, that theory, that same brawlers should team up. As you guys can see, there are 2 Taras in this server, 2 Barleys in this server. What is my Barley trying to do? Let me see. He's trying to kill a bee. Go take that chest. 3-3 for each of us. Nice. He's a past 7 Barley, guys. As you can see, he has a little bit less health than me. Why that Tara killed me? I don't understand why Supercell destroy our teaming only. Why not others teaming? Has happened with me a lot of times. So as you can see, we are in another match. I hope this match goes good. This Nida doesn't come here after us. No, she isn't coming here. That's too nice that Nida spared us. Still, there are 9 brawlers left and Nani killed a Shelly. That Nida, why is she coming here? Does she wanna die? If I could get in the range of my gadget with her, then I can slow her down and kill her with ease. As you can see with her, because of her health, I can tell that she's a power 6 Nida. So if she spawns her base, she cannot stun me or stop me. But I can stop that Nida right there, which is coming after me right now. This Shelly. I don't understand why is everyone trying to kill me. Oh. They went after each other. Nani, come on, kill her. Come on, Nani, save my life, kill her. She's dead. Come on, one more brawler die. Spare me, Nani. This Nida will not spare me. 4 brawlers left. As you guys see, that first win is over here. If you get 4th, 3rd or 2nd or 1st place, you get a win. You can see that this Nida is coming after me. But she will die if she comes over here right on top of me. I think so she also knows that. Why is this Spike coming over here? Okay guys, I got 4th place, but that's not nice, I know, but it's a win. As you can see, +1. Let's play another one. So there is a Mortis right in front of me. I hope that he doesn't come over here. As you know that then Mortis are encounter of throwers. I faced very difficulty when I played Sprout and Mortis comes on top of me. The one who has Sprout could understand this. Tick killed 2 people. Oh, Mortis killed Tick. This is nice stuff. Another Tick has died. So many Ticks over here. And there's another Tick. This Poco will die. What did he thought? He could kill me. Guys, Barley is OP when someone comes on top of you. Because you have that gadget. That gadget saves Barley from impossible stuff. If someone dies over here, there's gonna be another victory for us. You see that, guys? At Poco used his heal and then come on me. But still I killed him because Barley deals damage. With the slow, he is too OP. So there's a Daryl. Why is he coming? Why did he check in that bush? I didn't understand that. Oh, that Leon will go in base. Let me see from where he will come. If he comes from nowhere, I have my hands on that gadget. He's there. Oh, Mortis killed the Tick. So, as you can see, guys, there are 4 brawlers left. And I killed this Mortis. That Leon might have been coming after this Daryl or me. Oh, he is coming after the Daryl. Well, let's see if I can kill him or I will die. He will die, not me. Let's see who dies first. Should hit all of my shots. He should not get healed up. Guys, he's at 2000 health. Oh, he killed me before I killed him. That's not good, guys. I would have got 1st place. But it's okay. I got a win. That's what matters the most. That I get a win. So guys, let's play another game. As you can see, I'm here in a match. The crow spawned on the top. He's getting bullied by someone. Piper killed him. I didn't thought that Piper would kill him. That Piper, OP Piper. So an El Primo killed a Nida. I don't know how Nida should kill El Primo, but it's fine. We are not dead. That matters the most. Yeah, come on, die. Mortis killed the Brock. When the poison Gatsman come close, I'll go away. That's my only strategy to win right here. Bush camping. Now that I'm bush camping with someone who isn't a bush camper. Yeah, that one died. Let this Carl come here. I knew that Mortis will dash forward. Let me try to team up with a Piper. El Primo killed Ems. So as you can see guys, El Primo killed the Ems. Now there are 4 brawlers left, means another win is counted. That's 2 OP that we had a win. Ooh. Carlos killed him. Come on. Let's see who wins. Should I team up? I think so I should. As I know that where is that Piper's hiding spot. Should dodge that Piper. Well, let's try to hit my shots on her. Ooh. That was a very close call. So she's gonna jump in the meteor. So I'm going to win this. How the hell he killed me? He kills me or not, it doesn't matter to me. I gotta win. It happened in the last game as well, in this game as well. That's not good. But okay guys, I spawned near this box. I'm gonna take it and then just ham away. This is not a good spawn as per my thought. I think it's the worst spawn in the game that I have got, but that Daryl went ahead, so I'm gonna go back and hide over here. This is a nice hiding place. You can see guys, there are 9 brawlers left. A Daryl killed a Tara. It should be opposite. Why short range brawlers killing long range? Long range brawlers should kill short range brawlers. Another Tara has died. There are 2 Taras in the server, and this time Poco killed her. I think there are noobs of Tara, because I will show you that my Tara is on rank 26 Tara. They were noobs. After this match I will show you my Tara. But let's hide right now. As you can see guys, Daryl killed a Carl at the top. Now there are 7 brawlers left in the server. 6 brawlers left. Spike killed Jean. Poco killed Daryl. 5 brawlers left. So nice. OP stuff, man. Kill each other. Max, stop right here and oh, I got 5th place guys. That's not nice. I need 2 more wins. As can you see, look at my Tara as I show you my Tara. Oh, season end I am from 800 to 750 drop, but my Tara is at rank 26. You can understand, I'll not play Tara right now. I want to complete my Barney quest first. Let's go inside a match. How long it will take me to complete this quest, I don't know. But let's play. Ham. Destroyed. And let's push camp. You guys might be wondering, and why am I bush camping? Because Barley is not a good brawler for completing quest. I think he is the worst brawler for completing quest. Look guys, they both are fighting right in front of me and they don't know I'm here. You guys can see that, and I am now after this El Primo. Now Jackie will be able to kill him. That's nice. Will she go after me? No. I don't know why is she teaming up with me. I'm just a poor Barley. Oh, no. Teaming. Come on, one more die. Piper, please kill this Jesse. Sorry, Jackie. Why is Supercell fighting meteors? I know that I'm teaming, but that Jackie is also teaming up with me. So I'll kill the El Primo. Jackie is my mate. I'll not harm her unless there are 4 brawlers left. 4 brawlers left. As you can guys see there, Brock killed the El Primo. That's another win in our count. Let me survive the meteors. So I don't think so that I can kill that Jackie, but I will try to do that. And guys, see there, I wasted her super. Got my slow. I have all of my slows. Oh, let me see that. Let me use another slow. I think I should win this one. I completely wasted out my super right there, guys. That's not bad at all because this Jackie is at very low health. Let me use another gadget right here. Why do I don't have bullets? No. She killed me. Why this always happen? Why I always die? So as you can guys see here in the quest, I have 9 out of 10 wins. After another win, I'll show you a mega box because it will be a tier 45 and tier 45 contains a mega box. So I will open it. Give me luck that I would get a gadget, star power on Mortis because I could get star power on Mortis. True Silver, El Primo coming after me. Hey, stay away. True Silver, El Primo. So guys, I can kill anyone now, no matter what health they have, because I have my gadgets, my super as well to deal damage. 6 brawlers left. 1 more needs to die. Then I'm fine. No, she killed me before. That's not good, guys. I need to play another game. Let's wait for match make. So now match has started. I somehow need to win this game. Get a 4th place. This Jessie is coming after me. I don't understand why. Oh no, she's going to take the chest. Why is she hiding in the corner? Oh, there's the Ems right there. Jackie and Jessie and Ems are fighting. Let's see who kills. Oh, Jessie killed Ems. Ems killed Jessie, sorry. So now let's see. 9 brawlers left. 5 more to go. I hope this video will not take too long. A BB killed a Nida. Ems killed the BB. This Daryl is in my range. I can see him. Now there's no brawler right here. I don't know why. So let me come out of my cute little bush and let me see who's here. No one's hiding in this corner. Let me hide over here. 1 more brawler need to die. Come on. Yes, Nani killed Shelly. As you see, our quest is completed. So I'm gonna go and suicide and show you the mega box. I'll open a mega box in front of you. Shelly killed Nani. That's so good. It's a solo showdown match. I'm dead. No matter how I die, but no problem, guys. As you can see in this corner, our quest is completed. As you can see, the tokens are going in the Brawl Pass. My Brawl Pass tier is unlocked. As you can see, there's a Mega Box. Supercell, please give me 6. No, I got 5. 5 items in my Mega Box. It gave me nothing. That's sad. But guys, this is going to be end for this video. Hope you enjoyed my video. And thanks guys for subscribing my channel. Now I have 19 subscribers right now. But if you guys give me support, I'll have 1 lakh subscribers a day. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video.